Hey there, my name is John Hooks from John-Hooks.com, and we're going to be talking about a software called Paradise today. Paradise is an application, basically a one-click type setup system that builds you review pages and gets you free traffic. I am in the members area of it here, and actually I created a separate demo video which I will play during the middle of this review. So stay tuned and we'll go over everything that you see here. So to start off with, we need to go over to my bonus page, and from YouTube, click on the link that's either next to or beneath this video that says get my exclusive bonuses and Paradise here. Click on that link and it'll take you to this page here. And here, at any time you're ready to go ahead and get Paradise, you can click on any of the red banners on my page to go ahead to your secure checkout and get your copy. Also, please go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the thumbs up and the bell. Thank you very much. So Paradise, breakthrough push button system, pays us $37 plus every time. All right, we switch on to free traffic. All right, so it's 100% done for you platform, and basically it's pretty much done for you. All you got to do is just a few things to get the whole process set up, and you are good to go. And so what is it about? A little bit more information. All-in-one system includes 100 powerful traffic sources at your fingertips, 100% beginner friendly, zero overhead costs, keep 100% of the profits, free buyer traffic from over 100 built-in sources, self-monetizing set and forget system, high-paying affiliate offers built into the system, zero tech skills, experience, or maintenance needed, 4+ figures per day, training from a top super affiliate, no email list or paid traffic needed, no questions asked, 180-day money-back guarantee. All right, so you're just 2 steps away, unlimited wall-to-wall automated free buyer traffic. That makes us $37.63 over and over again. So step 1, activate your done for you Paradise Profit platform and switch on the free traffic, no tech skills experience required. And step number 2, watch as a raging river of free traffic hits your links on Autopilot. We then get paid via PayPal or direct into your bank account. That's it. And once we've followed these steps, we just sit back, relax, and watch as we start to get paid. And so I kind of rushed through that, and that's because my demo ended up being about 10 minutes. And so I am going to pause here, let you see the video, the demo video, and then we'll be right back after that. Okay, so we're going to do a pretty quick walkthrough of the members area here for Paradise. Now, as you'll notice, to start off with, we have our welcome video right here in the middle. It's just a couple of minutes long, giving you a quick overview of what you're going to be looking at and doing. Over to the right is a menu, basically showing you where your membership levels are. Also up here at the top, if you click on that, this is where you have your profile information. You can go change your password, update your profile information. Here you have integrations, that's for your autoresponder, your tutorials, which is also on the left-hand side, and of course the sign out. And over on the left, we have your menu, your dashboard, which is where we are now, tutorials, your products, product affiliate links, site settings, free traffic, and of course you can, your upgrades and how to upgrade your membership, and your help or support link is here. To start off, let's show you the tutorials. And so here you have your Paradise set up, how to get this all set up, your Paradise links, and I'll be showing you that over here when it comes to your product affiliate links and how to set that up. How to get your affiliate link, free sign up. Your integrations, which of course is your autoresponder, which we said that you can do from up there. And if you don't have an autoresponder, here's a link to get a free trial for it. And then your autoresponder tutorial video. Okay, and then your Paradise reviews, which is part of the pages that you have or that you would be creating, and then your upgrades on how to get those and download those, and of course your bonuses and how to access those here. Okay, and so let's go on over here to products. Okay, so when you join Paradise, you should have a ton of products, I believe 18 to begin with, and this is how they look. And so if we just take a look at the first one here to view it, this is the Wi-Fi profit system. This is basically what the page looks like. You have all of your information, that's in there. All this you can set up. You have, this is your excerpt, and we'll talk about that a little bit. This is the review portion of it here. The video, review video. And these images here are ones that you can replace. These aren't, the ones that you have to keep, and that's all in the editing part of it. And then your conclusion, all right, is what you have here, and also another type called the action, and then the bonuses that are being offered with this products, and you actually have control over changing those. I believe there were about 400 plus bonuses added into Paradise that you can use, especially if you are creating your own products. Okay, and of course, a stock photo there. This here might be your own logo or something like that. All right, and so let's go back, and that was the view, and then there is the download page here, and so let's view that. And so once your prospects purchase your products, they'll be taken to the download page to to get their free bonuses here. And these are the bonuses that we had looked at on the previous view. Okay, and then they can download each of those individually. And of course you can delete it. And here is where the edit button is. And basically information that, these are already created, but if you are creating your own, then, you would put in the name of your product, your product image, your product excerpt. Remember, we had the excerpt part of it, your affiliate link. Now here, what you need to do is you would need to copy this into your web browser, and it'll take you to Warrior Plus to apply for your affiliate link. And once you get that, and it should be pretty much automatic, these guys have set it up to where you get extremely quick, if not automatic, approval. And once it gives you your affiliate link, you'll come back and you'll put it in here. So this needs to be done on each of the products, the 18 product that you already have set up for you. And that way, you want to do this so that you get paid for your sales. Okay. The review headline, the review introduction, the review itself, the conclusion, all the stuff that we had seen. And then the video URL, for each of these, is already in there. And of course you can have your product ratings here. You can redo those, of course, and I'm not even clicking, you just scroll over them, so be careful that you don't accidentally scroll over and put ones on everything. All right. that wouldn't be a good thing, for sales. And then some information about what the individual liked about the product, or easy to use, high ticket, commissions built in, has done for you campaigns, And remember the bonuses where I said you have a ton of them. Now these were the ones that were chosen for this product, but if you just click into this box here, you'll see that now we have all of the bonuses, you know, here. And if I scroll all the way down, and I didn't check to see if there were any numbers missing in between, but based from going from start to finish, 443 different bonuses that you have to choose from, and of course you get to choose what you want. Now I certainly don't recommend giving them the kitchen sink when adding bonuses, because if a lot of people, when they shop for products, they're also looking for bonuses as maybe, you know, their number one you know, vision. And so if you give them everything at once, what is the incentive for them to buy from you again? I typically don't recommend no more than 5 bonuses at max, you know, when you are selling a product. Otherwise, they have no reason to come back and purchase from you. You know, if you're offering the same bonus that you did before, then, you know, why not just go to someone else and get some different bonuses, right? And so you want to build that rapport to begin with, offer some good bonuses, and that way they'll come back. And for, you know, the next product that you offer, you want to have different bonuses, you know, to keep them interested in you. Okay? And then you can save your changes if you've made any. I'll go ahead and click save those. Because I think I updated the star ratings on that, and that's pretty much it there. And so you also have your site settings, and this is, you know, pretty much you know, your information, you know, the stuff that we saw, you know, the default images and stuff for, you're going to set that up yourself, because these sites are going to be yours. They're going to be customized, you know, around you. And so you want to have your information in here. And so you want to get that set up first. And of course, one of the first things that you want to do, well, when getting this product, if we go back to the tutorials here, is you want to set up your autoresponder. And so you know, go through the welcome video, go through the setup, and then you want to go up here and choose integrations, and you're going to go ahead and set up, you know, your autoresponder. You have all your choices here, and I believe the free trial, some of them, you know, have free trials, if not most of them, and I think it might be Get Response that was the one for the free offer to begin with. And of course, this video here on integrations shows you how to do that. Okay, so that's kind of it in a nutshell. Sorry it took so long. And so let's go back to the review. All right, so how'd you like that demo? So let us continue on this page here. We're going to talk about what this is going to cost you. So $17 or $14 on the down sale. I believe there's a pop-up exit discount that takes $3 off, and so you'll be paying $14 for everything that we just showed you. Okay, and then of course there are a number of upgrades. The typical ones from this particular group, you get the unlimited version. You have the for $37, you have the 100% done for you version for $47, unlimited traffic for $47, automation system for $37, the ATM, another traffic thing for $47, the ultimate version for $47, and license rights for $37. Now, all right, and so that is it. That information that I have on there isn't relevant to this. I forgot to erase it. And so that is it. Once again, you know, you can click on any of the red banners, you know, on my page here. I'll take you over so you can pick up your system here. Once again, 180-day money-back guarantee. I do have, you know, well, I'm going to put my demo video here, so you'll see this looking a little bit different when you actually pull up this page. This was the actual welcome video from the software itself, but I'm going to put the demo in there so you can come back and watch the demo at any time. And That's pretty much it. I do have some bonuses for you if you pick up Paradise from my links today. Bonus number 1 is the Super Shakedown, exclusive secrets of the super affiliates. Bonus number 2 is YT Velocity, set and forget buyer traffic from Google and YouTube to help you out with your traffic sources. Bonus number 3 is triple traffic, some other additional traffic sources for you. And bonus number 4, monthly income system on creating and sustaining monthly income through internet marketing. Bonus number 5, essential emails, something that this product didn't really address, but it's very essential, to your success as an internet marketer. So we have essential emails here for you. And bonus number 6 are the bonuses that the Paradise group has given to me to pass on to you for purchasing Paradise today. All right. Once again, that's pretty much it. I want to take this time to thank you for taking the time to view my review video and my bonuses. Once again, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go ahead and do the thumbs up and find that alert bell, and we are good. Thank you very much. Well, that is it. And as always, to your success.